Where can I get quotes, stock charts, news releases, SEC filings to make the best trade decisions? Today I've got some great free resources for you, then I got the best resource for you. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified as soon as the next video hits. We do a lot of live videos. We do some tips and tricks like today. Sometimes we get really in-depth on a specific topic. Would love you to be notified as soon as possible, so be sure to ring that bell. When it comes to day trading, swing trading, investing, one of the biggest things is you need to maximize your information, your availability of information. You need price quotes, you need stock charts, you need to be able to get the press release, to be able to read the press release. Sometimes you got to dig into the SEC filing to see if there's outstanding warrants, if there's red flags on this stock. Just to really get into the deep financials, you need to be able to see that balance sheet, all of this information. So I've got several resources for you, and I'm going to offer you the pros and cons. So starting right out, the number one, the old school of old school is Yahoo Finance. If you're a young person, you might be kind of laughing, Yahoo. I mean, I know, Google is kind of taking over the world, but for whatever reason, and I think it goes back to the dot-com boom. This dates me a little bit as an old guy, but Google was just kind of growing in the early 2000s, and Yahoo was around a little earlier. So if you remember, and you should probably research the dot-com boom, be aware of stock market history. Yahoo was around back then, and we had such huge, crazy, insane moves. I mean, if you think 2018, 2019 are crazy for stocks, go back to 99, 98, 2000. They made even bigger moves. And Yahoo was the biggest information provider out there. That's where everybody would go to the news groups to post stock information. Business aside, I've always said for years going back, Yahoo should have probably spun off the finance division because I think it was one of the most valuable assets they had. That being said, it's still a great free resource. All the information is there. Interface is a little dated, but it's there. You can get the quotes, you can get the charts, you can get the filings and the news releases. Next is, I don't know why they don't talk about it much, but Google has a finance page, and it's great, especially for news. Nobody gets the news faster than Google. It's all there. Not a big fan of their charts. I do prefer Yahoo Finance's charts a little more, but the information is there. And one quick little tip that I do like about Google is, especially if you're looking for like those sympathy plays, Google has a nice little feature where if you search for a stock, it shows you related stocks that people are searching for. So it's kind of just a little trick if you're looking for those companies that are potential sympathy plays. You can use Google Finance for that. Last one, and probably my favorite of the free, is finviz.com. F-I-N-V-I-Z. I think it's short for financial visualization. Great looking charts. I love their charts. I love their format. They've got a basic screener that is useful. You can look for the big gainers. You can look for the 52-week breakouts. And the way it's organized is very clean. So out of the 3 free options, FinViz is definitely my favorite. Now, you've used those resources. You've kind of got to the point where you've reached the limit. You want real-time information. You want faster charts. You want better looking charts. You want everything in one spot. Obviously, I'm biased, but definitely check out StocksToTrade. I think it is the best platform out there. I was you back in the day. When I first got started in 2007, 2008, listen, I would open up 10 browser tabs to all these different sites. I'd launch Java apps, which again kind of dates me, but you'd have these apps, you'd have all this stuff running each day. I'd have to, spend 10 minutes opening up all this stuff, logging in, getting everything ready, maybe I forgot my password. I had to do a remember password, all this stuff just to be ready to trade. What's great about StocksToTrade is everything in one spot. Charts, news, screeners, Oracle, our stock algorithm program. You can trade directly from StocksToTrade with broker integration. We have a paper trading module if you're looking to just get started. So everything there in one click. So if you're ready to take that next step, be sure to click that link below, check out the trial, and listen, the free options are great, but if you're really ready to get serious, definitely check out StocksToTrade. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.